So this is from a brand called, or a company called cheapfoods.co.uk. I will link them down below. It gives you food that's out of date or going out of date, which we all know that food does not go out of date when it says they're going to go out of date. Some items do, but some items don't. So you have to really be careful with what you're getting. So I'm going to show you some of the items that I've got. We're going to try these Dorito Flame Grilled Whopper Crisp. The next item we've got is Starbucks Signature Chocolate, 42%, velvety and smooth hot chocolate. You get 16 servings. And I'm going to show you the date on this one. The date on this one is the 4th, 2025. So that gives you an idea of some of the items and how quickly the dates go out. Next product we got is a bag of fruit pastels. Love fruit pastels. Can't beat them. And I'm going to quickly check for the date and I'll show you this one as well. So the date is the 1st, 2024. So that's January 2024. And I'm positive they'll be absolutely fine. So we've got 2 boxes of the Ferrero Rochers. I think it was 2 anyway. 200 gram. The date is the 16th of January 2024. They'll be fine. This one, 16th of January 2024. Next item, we've got the Lindt hot chocolate, made with Lindt chocolate, which will probably be absolutely amazing. And the date is the 31st of 12th, 2024, so that's passed, but I'm sure it'll be absolutely fine. And then we have Extras chewing gum. We got 4 packets of them. So we can take that one out. And it's just basically for packaging that we put it in. So we've got 4 bottles of the Highland spring water. My son goes through this by the gallon. And the date on this one is December 2025. So we've still got another year on this. Hopefully you can see that. Same date, December 2025. So the waters will probably all be the same date. Yep, December 2025. Next one. Same bottle of water, December 2025. That's just packaging. Oh, we've got another bottle of water. So we've got 5 bottles of the water. And the date is December 2025. And then we've got 6 boxes, I think it is, of the Gillian seashells. I'm just going to open them up and show you. So the date on them is 22/11/23. So they have passed the date November last year. I'm sure they'll be absolutely fine. So I managed to open the box. This is what they look like. Gillian, the original seashells. Keep dry, 18 degrees Celsius, 65 Fahrenheit. There's 375 grams in it. And that's the date. I'm going to open them right now and test it. Inside, that's what the chocolates look like. There's absolutely no damage to these ones at all. And I'm sure all the packages will be like that because they're all still sealed. Let's give them a taste test. Anyone will do. Taste fine. Absolutely no issues with them whatsoever.